Hello guys, in this video I will show you a full comparison of Uphold and Coinbase, the two popular cryptocurrency platforms. So let's break them down to help you decide which is the best for your trading goals. Number 1. Supported Assets. Coinbase supports over 250 crypto assets and is constantly expanding. While Uphold, slightly smaller in variety, it supports crypto, precious metals, US equities, and FX, making it more of a multi-asset platform. Number 2. User Interface. Coinbase is beginner-friendly with a clean layout and easy-to-use features, while Uphold also has a smoother interface but may feel more technical due to its wider asset classes. Number 3. Their fees. Uphold uses a spread-based fee model, often resulting in higher transaction costs, while Coinbase has a clear, free structure but charges extra for certain payment methods and withdrawals. Number 4. Wallet and security. Both platforms offer hot wallets with robust security. Coinbase also provides a separate Coinbase wallet for advanced users, while Uphold focuses on simplicity with in-platform storage. Number 5. Additional features. Uphold supports automated recurring trades, environmental impact tracking, and cross-asset trading, while Coinbase offers staking, Coinbase Card, and real-time market analytics. So for final verdict, you can choose Coinbase if you are a beginner, you want wide asset support and access to staking and NFTs. And you can choose Uphold if you want to diversify into metals and equities alongside crypto. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.